Hello and thank you for your purchase. In this video, we will be covering the first apartment checklist and budget. There are several tabs included in this product: the Instructions and Setup tab, Packing Checklist tab, and Shopping List tab. First, we will be reviewing the Instructions and Setup. Here you can see step-by-step instructions included with the product as well as the necessary setup steps. To quickly set up your spreadsheet, review the 12 categories. These categories are pre-filled and can be changed to suit your needs. To change a category, simply type over the existing categories here, and it will populate the fields in the other tabs. Next, we will review the Packing Checklist tab. Here you can set your move-in date, track your packing progress, count down the days until the move, track your planned budget, and how much money you've spent. Below are the packing lists for each category. Here you will mark when an item is packed and whether you own it or not. Now let's go to the Shopping List tab. Here you will find the number of items you need to purchase, how many items you have purchased, the number of days until your move, how much money you plan to spend, and how much money you actually spent. The spending summary table will show a breakdown of each category's planned budget and actual budget, as well as the percentage of money spent for each category. The chart next to it is a visual breakdown of your planned and actual budget. Below this section is a shopping list for each category, where you will enter your planned budget, how much money you actually spent, the date of purchase, a link to the item, and any notes. Once an actual amount is inputted into the shopping list, your packing list will automatically update to purchased. In this section, we will go through an example of how to use the checklist. Let's start with the Packing Checklist tab. Let's set our move-in date for March 15th. Notice the sheet will automatically populate how many days we have left until we move. Next, we will go through the kitchen category and review which items we already own. For this example, we own a table, chairs, and a microwave. In the drop-down menu, select Yes for each. The microwave has already been packed, so we will check this box. Notice that the formatting changes as you make your selections. Please do not use copy and paste, as this will affect this formatting. Now let's see how the shopping list has updated. Notice the table, chairs, and microwave have been labeled Owned. It won't be necessary to fill in any other information for these items. It is best to go through all the items first to see which you own, and then plan your shopping list budget. Otherwise, if you change an item to owned later, you will need to remove that item's budget information. After classifying whether you own the items or not, start planning your budget for each item. In this example, we will plan to spend $100 on a blender and $50 on a toaster. Notice the planned totals start to update. Do this for all items you need to purchase. Once you've made your purchase, fill in what we spent. In this case, the toaster was $45 on March 2nd. Notice how once we entered in the actual amount, the items purchased and items left to purchase have updated, and the toaster has been crossed out. Repeat this process for all items you need. If there's an item you don't need, simply go to the checklist and remove it by deleting the entry. Let's remove kettle. This will update the shopping list. This concludes our example. In this section, we will show you how to print various sections of the sheet. First, select the section you'd like to print. In this example, we will print the kitchen, pantry, bathroom, and bedroom checklists. Once selected, go to File, Print. From here, choose Selected Cells. If you're using Excel, this will say Current Selection. Change page orientation to landscape. Change the scale to fit to page. Then select Print and you're good to go. This concludes our review of the apartment checklist and budget. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Thank you for choosing our store. Happy packing!